Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class 7 English Unit 3 Oil Spills. Reading Comprehension Exercise A, page number 61. Answer the following questions. You have to copy these question answers in your literature notebook. The first question is, why do you think the news appeared on different pages of the newspaper? The answer is the latest news or the newest news. Latest means the newest. The latest news appears on the front page, and when it becomes old, it is printed on the inner pages so that the people who have missed the news can read it later from the inner pages. Question number 2. How much oil did the tanker Tasman Spirit contain? The answer is Tasman Spirit contained 67,500 tons of crude oil. Question number 3. List the damages caused by an oil spill. The answer is an oil spill causes several damages like A. Health hazards. Health hazards means the dangers to health. B. Destruction of marine and wildlife means the destruction of the sea animals and the wild animals. C. Threat of starvation to fishermen means it's a kind of danger of hunger for the fishermen because it's the only source of their income. They catch the fishes and then they sell them and then they get money and then they bring food for themselves. But if the fishes will die, how will they be able to catch the fishes and sell them and then bring their food? So it is a kind of threat or a danger of starvation, or we can say hunger for the fishermen. D. Problems to the residents. Residents, the people who live near the sea, so it was a problem for them. Question number 4. Write 2 characteristics of crude oil. Answer. Number 1. Crude oil is a mixture of more than 1,000 different hydrocarbons. And number 2. It is a thick and sticky oil in texture. Question number 5. Write the difference between oil spill in the Arabian Sea and the Arctic Ocean. The answer is the Arabian Sea is warm, so the oil evaporates quickly. The Arabian Sea is warm because it is warm. This is the reason why the process of evaporation is quick. So the Arabian Sea is warm, so the oil evaporates quickly, whereas the Arctic Ocean is freezing cold. It is extremely cold and the evaporation is slow. And because the evaporation is slow, the crude oil forms a thick layer on the surface. Question number 6. Why are chemicals sprayed on the oil? The answer is chemicals are sprayed on the oil to break it into tiny small particles. Then these tiny particles are eaten or digested by bacteria as a source of nutrition, or as a food they eat the particles of oil. Question number 7. Name some of the birds endangered by the oil pollution. The answer is some of the birds endangered by the oil spill were guillemots, puffins, bald eagles, and razorbills. Question number 8. Why do the birds get into the oily water? The answer is the migrating birds look for calm water where they can rest and fish. Oil-covered seas look calm to the birds, so they land on the water and get stuck in the oily water. Your homework for today is to note down all the question answers in your literature notebook. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care and Allah Hafiz.